Hi all, welcome to a session from Aero Research. I'm Srijit here. So in this technical session, actually this is not a technical session. This is a type of general briefing about what AMS was. In the previous sessions, we have performed various technical videos covering up the applications of various modules or domains with various case studies. So as a conclusion, AMS represents a powerful and unified computational ecosystem designed to address a wide spectrum of challenges in chemistry and material science. And by integrating the quantum chemical methods and molecular simulations and material modeling um, within a single framework, it enables the users to, seamlessly move across different lengths and timescales. So the flexibility makes it particularly valuable for studying molecular properties, reaction mechanisms, solid-state systems, and complex interfaces with a high reliability and scientific rigor. So one of the key strengths of AMS lies in the advanced theoretical foundations and methodological diversity with the state-of-art implementations of density functional theories and numerical methods, force field-based simulations, and reactive dynamics. So AMS allows users to choose the most appropriate level of theory for the research objectives. The availability of specialized modules and efficient solvers ensures both accuracy and computational efficiency, making it suitable for fundamental research as well as applied industrial problems. So equally important to user-centric design of AMS, which combines an intuitive graphical user interface with powerful scripting and automation capabilities. So this design lowers the barriers of new users while providing experienced researchers with the flexibility needed for complex workflows and high throughput studies. Robust visualization, data analysis tools, and seamlessly integration with high performance computing environments further enhance productivity and productivity. So finally, I should extend my heartfelt thanks to all the viewers in our YouTube channel for subscribing and supporting, especially in Aero Research India channel, for your time, interest, and continued support. Your active participation, insightful feedback, and encouragement inspires us to share knowledge and explore advanced topics in computational science. We are truly grateful for this growing community and looking forward for your continued engagement in future sessions. So first of all, it's a hearty thanks. Um, you know, Without your support, we were unable to make this step. I mean, almost 50 plus videos we have uploaded this year. And in the beginning, there was very, huge challenges that how to make this, will it be viable to make this kind of videos? But some of the videos got good viewers, good views. And even though it is not about views and all, it's all about how we can share the knowledge with you for generating ideas. So your suggestions and support is very important for our growth. And obviously, in the next year, 2026, we are changing this pattern, and this will be, completely case study oriented discussions for our modules, covering up ADF, band, reacts of a postmodel. So we will be coming in to you with more case study oriented videos. It won't be short videos. It will be, a little bit lengthy videos covering up the applications, how we generate the inputs, the outputs, what is the exact application of that specific module in that specific case studies. So we will be trying the level best to give you a clear-cut knowledge and idea that how AMS is applicable to various areas of research. So last year we tried the level best with short videos covering it with different case studies. So this year we are planning with more, lengthy videos along with our webinars. And thank you all for giving us this valuable support, and we expect the same in the year 2026 also. So thank you. We will see in the next videos.